Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I am working on a 24 by 24 inch deep edge canvas, and I'm going to do another swipe using a trowel. A couple of people have asked, so I thought I'd let you know that it is an 11 by 5 inch finishing trowel. I bought it at the local hardware store for about $3. It's normally used for tile work and for repairing walls, that kind of thing. And I'm going to be putting a little bead of paint around here, around one edge, and then flattening it out onto the trowel, and then swiping down the paint onto the canvas. I love this technique because it leaves a really grungy texture. It creates little air pockets that kind of shift and move as you paint, but always it keeps some of the previous layers exposed. And it's really fun technique. I love that kind of grunginess, but it also creates lots of structure. So you can play with the composition and play with your colors. So today I'm going to do a bit of a color study because my favorite part of the color wheel runs from magenta to cyan, so red to blue. I have pre-painted the canvas with the cyan, and then I'm going to put down a layer of white. This is Chroma Curl white that I'm using. I'm going to put down a layer of white here, and then I'm going to swipe the red on top of that. And in between each of these colors, I'm going to use some white. So red, this is Deep Violet from Liquitex Basics. This is Permanent Blue Violet from Amsterdam. And then I have some Prussian Blue Phthalo from Amsterdam also. So this will be my last layer. I will actually probably do another swipe of white on top of it. I want white in between each of these colors. The white is going to make the colors a little more pastel. It's gonna create some beautiful blending, and I'm excited about seeing how the colors will play together and and leave some areas exposed. Really fun technique. The one thing I'm gonna do differently today is I have some masking tape. And if I can find the start on it, I'm going to need my reading glasses for this part, I think. Looks like it's going to be right there, but it doesn't want to move. I will find that in a moment, but I'm going to use this masking tape right along this edge. I want to create just a thin little blue frame around the whole thing, because some of this will show, but it's going to be subtle. So I want to pull that color out on the outside as well. And that way I won't have to frame it. I can leave the blue along the outside edge, but have this wonderful texture all throughout. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna find where this tape starts, and then I will start painting. I'll put some music on for you.
Upside down and you were gone. I couldn't see, it's all in me, still falling in a dream down in me, waking up in my cold sweat, feel like I am deep in debt without you. Would you have me back over once again? On and on and on, dwell till I'm torn apart. On and on, snaps going through my heart. Try and save me, try and break my fall. At night we touch, your hand goes through my hair. You say the words, but it's nothing but a dream. Drug me into sleep to break my fall. Come a little bit closer. Would you have me back over once again? On and on and on, dwell till I'm torn apart. On and on, steps going through my heart. Try and save me, try and break my fall. On and on, dwell till I'm torn apart. On and on, snaps going through my heart. Try and save me, try and break my fall. And I could never dream another dream. And I could never fight another fight. 'Cause when I dream of you, another face comes through, and it won't go away. On and on and on, till I'm torn apart. On and on, steps going through my heart. Try and save me, try and break my fall. On and on and on, dwell till I'm torn apart. On and on, snaps going through my heart. Try and save me, try and break my fall. So many days is yet to come. So many times has come to pass. Too many moments put aside. Getting out alive, getting out alive. Writing letters in the sand. Lost to ocean's gentle hand. Through the sunrise I will thrive. Getting out alive, getting out alive. When you find that open door, you gotta let them love you more. Tender hearts will always fight the darkness of the light.
have the dry results, and I think this is gorgeous. I love the composition of this, and you'll notice that I did change the border, the little framing that I did. The blue just wasn't working for me, so I put a layer of white on with a brush and then used my palette knife to do a splotchy little swipe around it, so you can still see the areas where the white over the blue, and then the part that's put on with the palette knife. I love how it gives it kind of a splotchy look. It's not a clean white, and it really goes with the whole composition. These colors are great. I'm super happy, and I love it in this orientation specifically. These little skips here turned out beautiful. We can see some of the cyan still in a couple of areas. I really love it. That section right there is my favorite. But I love how the violets and the red reacted with the white. I love that you can see that I went this direction with my swipes in several areas, especially like right in here. I think that's so cool how you can see the different layers that way. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment, share with your friends, all of that kind of stuff. Really helps my channel grow. And, you know, grab yourself some paints and be fearless.